back to my channel. Before we get into this video, can you please hit the subscribe button if you already have it, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So today, if you haven't already tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing our makeup in a random order. So I have all these names here of the products that I use on a daily for a full face, and I'm going to mix them up and we're going to go with whatever product that I pick up. So first thing is primer. So I'm mixing this up. Okay, I'm not looking. Oh. So it's mascara. I think I'm gonna have to redraw because it's mascara, so it's black as a primer. I mean, I don't want to get any hateful comments or be demonetized for being blackface. So we're gonna redraw. I'm gonna just put that one to the side. Hopefully I don't get eyeliner, because that'd be the same thing. Alright, it's all mixed up. Okay, picking one. Alright, gonna use my lipstick as a primer. Alright, using this as a primer. Oh boy. Just gonna take this and blend it out. If that's even possible doing with a brow pen. Ew. Yeah, I don't really think that's working, but it is what it is. Okay, so now that was concealer, so now eyeshadow. So let's see what we get for eyeshadow. Mix it up, mix it up. Concealer. Alright, so gotta use my trusty old Pooh Face Born This Way concealer as eyeshadow. Oh boy. I'm gonna look crazy. Okay, now it's time for eyeliner. So I got setting spray for the eyeliner. So I guess I'm just... How am I gonna do this? Okay, let's see here. There's my setting spray. And a little brush. That's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna spray the end of my brush and just draw on. This is ridiculous. Oh, my eyes are burning. call that done because you can't really see the setting spray for eyeliner. So that's that. Okay, so next would be mascara. So, mix up the rest of my... Alright. I kind of hope I get mascara. Oh! I got mascara! Awesome! Okay, so I'm gonna take my Mykaila Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna do some my eyes too. Look at those lashes. I was blessed with beautiful lashes. Beautiful long lashes. Don't be jealous. There. Alright, next step that I normally do, let me think. So I did primer, foundation, concealer, eyes, mascara, eyeliner. Okay, so now would be blush. So foundation. Alright. Sorry, one moment. Looking for my oh my gosh, where is it? My foundation brush. Oh, it's right here. Right. And again, Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just only do a little bit because I'm doing blush, so. Okay. Ooh, I look like a freak. I really do. Alright, that's what I normally do for blush. So, okay, so now, my lips. Oh wait, no, but highlight. So, some highlight. And oh, would you look at that? It's actually highlight. So that's awesome. Maybe this won't be a disaster after all. Highlights. Now, take some. I love highlight. I can use so much highlight to where it's blinding. I love highlight so much. Okay. So next is our lips. So kind of anxious because I'm only down to like 2 pieces of paper now. Alright. Primer for our lips. Alright. I'm gonna get my primer out. Primer from Wet n Wild. It's a cucumber primer. I actually really love the smell of this. It's really nice. So let's see. Just take a little on my finger and this feels so weird. Oh, it tastes horrible. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so the last thing is to set our face. I'm worried because I forget what this last piece of paper will be, so here it is. It's blush. We're gonna have to set our face with blush. Oh man. Okay. Let me get my blush out. I love this color. So we gotta set our face with this blush. I'm just gonna go everywhere, you know, just because it's not like I can spray this on, so. Oh. Did I do my eyebrows? I didn't do my eyebrows. Am I missing? Am I missing one? I don't think I wrote out off. Oh, wait. No? Let me see. Okay, lips, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, setting spray, the eyebrow pen, the mascara, primer, concealer, highlight. Oh, I'm so confused now. Okay, how about this? My mixing bag. My mixing bag. My makeup bag. What? Okay. Whatever I pull out is what I'm gonna use on my eyebrows. Okay, that doesn't count, it's a brush. Oh, okay. So this is a bronzer. So I'm gonna get this little brush again, and we're just gonna take our trusty old bronzer and fill out our eyebrow. I don't know if this is really working. Okay, got it. Okay, I see it now. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go back to setting our face. All right. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this weird video that I decided to make. I want to help on this trend. I just wanted to. So please, like, share, subscribe, help me grow my channel. I currently have 77 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you want more videos like this. Give me some ideas, because I'm gonna be uploading weekly. I need some ideas. I need to know what the people want. So let me know. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching my video, and love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.